What had happened was I basically just broke off my hair. Yeah, that's fun. This headband is killing me. What's up guys, it's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Sugar Bear hair review, but I'm going to be doing it on the 3-month supply. And as you can see, they're all empty, which means they're gone. Basically, I'm going to tell you first off how the 3 months went and what actually happened to my hair. If you guys enjoy the video, like it, give it a thumbs up. That's the exact same thing. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notifications. It's like the little bell at the bottom, right? Yep, like that. Whichever part of the screen. So you can be notified every time I upload new videos because we are more active 2018. So don't miss out. If you guys want to know about the first review, just go to this video right here, or maybe I'll put it over here. Go to the video. I've already done a review on it, so I won't like do too much in depth about it. But basically, for the 3 months that I took these vitamins, everything worked the same. I feel like I got hair growth and I got some inches. But the only difference is, oddly enough, it's not odd. I know exactly what happened. At the end of the 3 months, let me see, when did I start? February, March, and April. I was looking at my hair and I noticed that it wasn't longer at all. It wasn't any longer than the last video review that I did when I first did it back in January. Okay, my hair technically, for like the natural hair terminology, was bra strap length. My hair still is bra strap length, but it's like a few inches shorter than January. So like my hair technically like stopped like about here where my nipples are, right? But at the end of April, it wasn't anymore. And I was wondering, what happened, Becky? My hair, like right now, it stops right here. Maybe like here. And I should have measured it. I should have been like more precise and accurate with it. If you guys want me to do another 3-month review again and actually have accurate measurements and do that little hair chart thingy with the t-shirts, then I can do that. But just let me know in the comments down below if you want like a more in-depth review of this with measurements and seeing like if this stuff really worked. I mean, I think it worked, but just to see like the progression or the growth, then I can do that for you. My hair is a few inches shorter and I noticed that, and I was wondering like, what happened? And then it hit me. After January, when I took the hair vitamins the first time, February, March, and April, I didn't have any protective styles. My hair was exposed. I was doing a lot. I was doing the most. I was doing braid outs like every day. I was combing my hair all the time. And then I would do wash and go sometimes. I don't even do wash and goes all that much, but like I was just doing a lot with my hair like every day. What had happened was I basically just broke off my hair, which is fun. That's fun, you know. Going backwards, that's always fun, you know. But sometimes you gotta go backwards to go forwards. But yeah, that's fun. Like I said in the first one, but this is stressing to you guys because like I wasn't playing when I said it. If you take this or if you take any other supplement, I do not care what you take. I don't care when you take it. I don't care how much you take. If you do not retain your length, you will not see growth, okay? That's why I have my Fulani braids in, right? Best friend put in my Fulani braids. You already know. And once again, yes, of course, we got to give her the shout out. So if you want your hair done, hit her up. Put her link in the description down below and right here on the screen. I'm basically taking some more supplements right now and I'm doing more protective styling because I want to get my hair back to like where it was and surpass that. So right now, this is what we're working with. Regular schmegular biotin. Yeah. But I'm going to also let you guys know another difference. Acne. I don't know, I guess I just like forgot that I got back on it. It's only been like 4 or 5 days, but let me tell you, this stuff works fast. I have been slacking on my water. It definitely has shown up in my skin. You can't see it because obviously I'm wearing makeup. Well, maybe you can see it. Maybe, I don't know. Can you kind of see it? But I have dark spots underneath what you can see on camera. These never gave me no acne. That was a double negative. These have never ever given me any sort of acne ever. So thank you, Sugar Bear, for that. Stay hydrated, my friends. stay hydrated. The reason why I'm taking regular biotin right now instead of sugar bears is trying to budget some stuff, and I was just kind of like, you know. And I also wanted to try some other stuff, not necessarily this per se, but a different form of biotin. I was told about Inzuri hair elixir or something, and I wanted to try that, and it's basically a liquid form of biotin. Supposedly, the liquid form of biotin doesn't have to necessarily be that brand, but like just the liquid form of biotin is better for you than a pill form or a gummy form because it doesn't have the extra additives. Like it doesn't have like the gelatin they have to put in to make it like a gummy version or whatever they do with this. It's like straight biotin because it's like the liquid form. It's like the purest form I guess they have. I heard it has like 90% more efficiency when you take it, but for now I'm just using this because it was at Target and it was $5, and I was kind of just like, oh, let me just, you know, I just grabbed it off the shelf. That's what we did. This is what we're doing. For any and all like types of hair supplements, just don't exceed the amount that the directions say to take. If you're just like, oh no, I'm trying to grow right now, like, just be patient. It's coming. Just trust the process. So they worked though. I know they worked because I would always see new growth or like feel new growth within my hair, but I didn't see it towards the bottom. Again, because I was breaking off the bottom faster than the roots were growing. Stuff definitely still works. You just gotta work with it, okay? If you guys want me to do a hair straightening tutorial just to see where I am with my inches, then I can definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. Share with all your family and friends. Cause like I said, this is Journey to Wasteland. We about to get them inches, honey. This year, next year, all the years, till we touch a mil, okay? One goal at a time. Let me know what you think, if they work for you. Check them out for yourself. Try them out and tell me how they work. Comment down below how long your hair is. That's basically it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley, alley, you when I'm in my truth.